excited to test drive and check out the 70 GTO since it came in, and today's the day we finally get to do it.
Today's a lucky day.
Lucky day. This thing has just a mean look, aggressive sound, and a lot of power. Hell yeah. There we go. It is a lucky day. It's a lucky day for whoever buys this too. You get to drive this damn thing every day.
Look at this. The brakes are perfect. It's a 4-speed automatic, D. Look at that.
It's got a lot of torque.
It does have a shit ton of torque. An original style YS code 400, okay? Aluminum heads, 4-speed automatic transmission is what's gonna make this thing just so much fun for everybody.
Look at that oil pressure, especially in a Pontiac motor.
Yeah, that's huge.
Really high oil pressure.
Amp gauge is working great. Not sure on the radio. Definitely we're gonna make sure it has a working radio in it, guys.
Looks like they put a newer retro sound in there.
Yeah, it probably just isn't hooked up.
Heater, fan.
Yep, that works.
Sounds like it's working.
Yep. Wipers, we also have a new switch coming for the wipers, okay?
So those will be working as well.
Yep. Hood jack works perfect, gas gauge works. Let's just take this thing out and see what we got, shall we?
I love that shifter. Those his and her shifters are so fun. Especially when you got some power to back it up.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Hell yeah. This is why I was excited to do a test drive video on this thing. It's just it's cool as hell.
Fourth gear right there. Fourth gear at 80 mile an hour. Puts it about 2,200 RPM. Wow.
I'm smiling. You can't see it.
Not smile.
Brakes work perfect too, coming in hot and they stop you right away.
Well, does it have 4-wheel disc brakes?
We'll have to check when we get back.
I think it does, though. I'm pretty sure.
I think so too, but.
GTO!
Yes, sir. This is fun as shit. I like this car. I don't really want to sell it.
Oh, you say that once in a while. If it's really fast for a car we get, I don't want to sell it.
I don't know if I want to sell it.
What does kind of suck though is those are the first one that goes, so we don't get to ever play with them or take them to a car show, or
especially something like this. It's got beautiful paint and this like torque and power. I bet Shay's smiling just watching this.
Is he smiling?
I don't know.
This is awesome.
It's pretty hard to beat.
I'm in love. I think I was in love twice in my life. Once 24 years ago when I got married, and right now.
This ain't your grandmother's GTO.
No, this Judge put a smile on my face from side to side, didn't it?
I'm still smiling. This thing is badass.
Judge should sound like. I mean, obviously this is only just a 1970 really nice GTO with Judge decals, but it's the sound of it is what they should have sounded like from the factory, and they didn't.
Yeah, and the stance. I mean, we're gonna get calls 2 years from now. Hey, that black GTO you guys videoed, what was the tire size on that?
Yeah, we will. We will. Look at that. It's got aluminum heads. It is a YS code, meaning it's a real GTO automatic engine from the factory. Don't know if it's the original engine or not. Probably not. But it is a real GTO engine with aluminum heads and pretty freaking sweet.
Beautiful under the hood. I love the valve covers as well.
Yeah, it's great. Just a nice condition. Aluminum radiator. Go ahead and walk through this one, D. I'll help you out.
Hood lines up really nice from front to back and across the front. A lot of times on these Enduro bumpers, they just don't line up like that across the front. Front nose is in beautiful shape. Headlights are all replaced, as well as the bezels. They look great. Grill's in really nice shape.
Dave's even in love with this one. He wants to buy it, doesn't he?
Yeah, he
wants
does.
to trade in one of his Camaros for it.
Got the Ram Air decals on the hood scoop. Not factory tack. It's got a hood tack that works. Love the decals.
Really good gap here too. If you look, just a nice even gap from top to bottom.
I always like to look at the fender, door, and hood, and those all line up perfect just like they should. I'm kind of good at making those little rhyming phrases.
Yeah, hell yeah. It's got disc brakes on the front. We asked about that. It's got Willwoods on the back as well. So it's got Willwood disc brakes all 4 corners.
Black car, super straight. I don't see a wave or nothing at all. Corner of the doors, front and back line up perfect.
Like even back over in here, this rear sail is excellent. The lead line's beautiful. Pioneer 6x9s. Trunk fits excellent back here as well, front and back. Wow.
Behind the rear tire is great.
We'll go ahead and open up the...
Like Chad mentioned, trunk lines up perfect. Back bumper's been replaced.
Corner of the door has got a nice...
Well, I'm gonna get over there first. Corner of the doors, rust-free, really nice. Door jamb paint's excellent as well. Some of that white stuff you see here is just buffing compound. Come right off. Door panels look like they've been replaced. Those are in great shape. Love the dash too, and love what they did with the bezels.
It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission as well, which is huge.
Yep, with the his and hers shifter, makes it a ton of fun to drive. Seats are beautiful. I don't see any issues there. Headliner's perfectly tight. Back seat's nice as well. Up over the roof, no hail damage, any dings, nothing like that. That's beautiful. And this black paint, you can shave anywhere in it. It's really smooth. Great reflection. Love the spoiler.
Excuse me, bud.
When Chad opens the trunk there, we'll get another little peek up and down the side.
And look at that. That's nice as well. Beautiful paint under here. Just really nice. They took everything apart when they did it. Nice mat. Trunk's great.
Whole car's great. Back glass is crystal clear. All the trim around the back window. Looks like that was replaced at time of restoration. Has a great shine. I don't see any pits or anything like that. No issues in this rear quarter at all. Over the wheel well. Back tire size are 275/60 15s.
They're a little wider too. I think those are like, I don't want to say aftermarket, but those PMDs, I don't think they're 8s. They look like they're just like 9 or 10s. They look a little wider, don't they?
I like it.
Yeah,
This
like
thing
we
is
like to
gorgeous.
say, all your gaps are good. The front edge of the door, the back edge of the door.
I haven't hardly seen a chip on this thing. And again, back of the hood lines up perfect, which a lot of time these GTO hoods don't. Perfect to the fender there. Beautiful interior. Again, door jamb paint was done really nice. Corner of the door there's rust free. Bottom side of the door is nice as well. Same as passenger side, door panels excellent. Driver's seat's in really good shape. Don't see any rips or tears. Here's what I was talking about with the gauges and all the bezels there. Just beautiful. It's got an in-dash tack as well. Headliner. Seat backs, back seat. Got some 6x9s back there in the package tray.
Great car.
Yeah, show quality. One more rev for us, will you?
Yeah, it's always a good tale. See if she starts.
Check this thing out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Put a link down in the comment section. This thing's going in the showroom, and next it's going in your garage.